Sorry for the bad lighting. Anyways, IKEA has some new dishes I thought we'd try here. A beetroot salad and also falafel of all things. I'm not this hungry, but I've never seen these dishes at an IKEA. IKEA. A lot of people pronounce them differently. Let's start with the falafel here. So there's a real wedge of lemon. Lemons are expensive in this country. I don't know why they don't grow lemons in this country when there are limes all over the place. So let's try this one with the lemon. I don't know, the lighting in here is horrible. Yeah, it's not super moist, but it's not dry, 100% dry either. It's kind of medium, but the texture is pretty good. You can see there's big chunks of chickpeas in there. Some sort of binding agent. It tastes really good with the lemon, but I'm gonna try it now without the lemon. Yeah, okay, so that's alright. It comes with some mayonnaise. Let me see what this is. Yeah, I don't know why it comes with mayonnaise, but it does. And now the couscous, we have some red peppers. Maybe, that looks like eggplant to me. Green peppers, I assume. Alright, let's try this. Oh, it tastes pretty good. It's a very mild flavor. It very much just tastes like the peppers. I think that could be a raisin right there. Yeah, I think that was a raisin. It's a little bit sweet. Overall, it's a very mild flavored dish. If you don't want to have super strong flavors, maybe you just had a medical procedure or something. It's good though. It tastes like falafel, tastes like couscous. It's just, a mild alternative to Thai food, which is very, very spicy very often. Let's do a quick break for the cheesecake here. So a nice, thick, dense base layer. Nice, thick cheesecake part. Oh yeah. That's a real New York cheesecake. The cheese part is super, super dense and moist. Yeah, it's not runny at all, as you can see. That's a really good cheesecake. Very impressive. Alright, so now we have this beetroot salad, fried pita chips, and meatballs. The meatballs are their standard things. I mean, it tastes like meat. What kind of meat? I don't know. A mix of pork, chicken, beef? I don't know. Decent amount of meat versus filler. There's definitely something binding it together, but... Okay. Yeah. It's actually a little crispy on the outside, but still bread, so it's a little chewy on the inside. It's actually a really good texture. I thought it was going to be crispier than that, but it's not. Okay, let's just try a little of the beetroot. Okay. The beetroots are your standard consistency. They're not really mushy, but they're not hard at the same time. It's cold. It's a cold dish, being mayonnaise. Although there's a little dill sprinkled on top. There's no dill in the actual mix. So it's just like a mayonnaise. It's basically just mayonnaise and dill, I think. I don't even think there's pepper in there. I don't even know if there's salt in there. It tastes good though if you like beets. Alright, so now the question is, can I make an actual layer of meat, beets, and pita? I'm going to use my fingers just to... So that... Now... This is going to be hard to get going, but let's see if we can do it. Alright, we got a little bit of everything there. Yeah, that tastes really good. So another mild, you know, not over the top spicy, over the top flavorful dish. So it's Middle Eastern food, right? It's the Mediterranean diet going on here. I like it. I think it's a good thing. I hope these things stick around. I would eat these quite often. Definitely worth a try. Whether or not you think those prices are decent, I don't know. I mean, this beetroot with meatballs, $1.70. So that's like $5 or $6, which to a Westerner is really cheap. It's just that you can get a buffet here for like $7, $8. Granted, it wouldn't be the best buffet, but... Alright, well anyways, IKEA, always mixing it up.